Hello my beautiful soul tribe, welcome back to my channel. This is Neetu. Thank you so much for being here, tuning into this video and giving me an opportunity to help you and bring messages from your angels and your guides. And that is what I do in this channel, bringing in messages. I'm being a messenger here to bridge between you and your spiritual team and to bring in messages. And today we are completely tuned into angelic energy, angelic frequencies here. Even the music in the background is of angelic frequency, and it is all about angels. We'll see which angels will come through to give you messages. The message could be anything on any topic or any subject that you have been seeking answer, or just a general loving, caring, warmth messages bringing forth to you. And each pile has different archangels. There is a archangel coming through for each pile to give you messages. So this is going to be a complete angelic love and support from angelic team. I'll be placing the charm. Okay, for group number 1 we have this beautiful flower. For group number 2, wow, look at that, we have a unicorn. For me it feels like Pegasus. We have a unicorn coming through for group number 2. Okay, for group number 3 we have a tree. Okay, so take your time and pause the video if you need to. You can go ahead and select more than one pile because it is all going to be a general message, but one that you are drawn to will have the message that is mostly related to you. For group number 1 we have a flower. Group number 2 we have a unicorn. Looks like a Pegasus unicorn with a wing, so that is usually Pegasus. And for group number 3 we have a tree. It could be tree of life or something on those lines. So take your time, pick which your pile you're drawn to. I'll be starting with group number 1 now. Welcome group number 1. If you have selected this flower, it is shimmery, it is something that is blooming. So with this charm, what I'm getting is it is like you are about to get a breakthrough of some sort, or you are about to reach that stage where everything is going to be easy, simple, and if you had a hard time reaching that point of success and abundance, there is going to be something that will be blooming, that will be happening in your favor, that is going to be successful, and it is going to be bringing you a lot of happiness, and something is blossoming or blooming in your life that is growing to come into your reality. Something is happening behind the scenes to help you manifest whatever that you want in your life. But let's see what is that, or which archangel is coming through to give you messages today. Okay, so we have Archangel Michael coming through to give you messages. Just hold it close. Okay, we have Archangel Michael, one of the favorite archangels for most of us, and I mean, he's always there to help, he's always there to protect. He's a warrior energy. He is there to protect. He comes in whenever we have that fear and scare of facing our life, or we are going through a lot of hurdles and obstacles. We are asking for help. He comes with this truth, this sword of truth, where he'll be revealing truth. He'll be showing us our path. He'll be helping us go face our fear and take that leap of faith, kind of energy that Archangel Michael is bringing through into your reality right now. And that is what Archangel Michael wants you to know, that it's all right, it's okay to be scared, but it is not okay to put yourself in the back line or dim your light and not going forward and taking that leap of faith, because you'll be missing a lot of chances. Because I am kind of sensing that you are about to get an opportunity or something that is coming your way, and Michael is coming here to just give you an insight that listen, you are capable and you have enough knowledge, enough wisdom, and the courage that is required for you to take this leap of faith. So do not worry, I got your back, I'm there to help you. All right, so he's going to reveal that truth. He's going to reveal something, or he's going to help you in some way to bring in this opportunity into to fruition. He'll give you a courage to stand up and take that leap of faith, is what I'm getting with Archangel Michael's card and the messages that are coming through. Yes, look at that. We have face your challenges, and again, this is Archangel Michael's card. It's all blue. There is something about your throat chakra, and we have a full moon here. All right, and we have a full moon coming. On May 7th, and this full moon is going to be in Scorpio, so you can expect a lot of upheaval in terms of your emotions. You may feel a lot of emotions, especially that you are addicted to, like addictive emotions or anything that is forcing you to be in that codependency state. All right, so you have to be really careful of these emotions. It is forcing you not to face those challenges. It's time for you to really face those challenges and face the fears and take that leap of faith and help yourself in terms of releasing all the unwanted emotions and addictions not necessarily in terms of substances. Addiction can also be unwanted thoughts that is creeping up from the past, though you want to release it. All right, so Michael is definitely telling you to call him to cut the cord from the past. All right, maybe something from the past is bothering you, so he wants you to be free of that. He wants to be you to be free of those thoughts and face the challenges, face the fear, take that leap of faith, go after that offer or opportunity, whatever that is calling you at this time, or that is something coming your way. Okay, yeah, forgiveness. Some of you are definitely stuck in the past. It's like it's time for you to forgive. It's time for you to cut the cord. It's time for you to release. It's time for you to heal your inner self, your inner being, and get ready for all the beautiful opportunities that is coming your way. All right, it is time for you to speak up for yourself, voice your own truth, realize what is your true sense, true purpose of you in this life. And because this past is definitely holding you hostage and not letting you free, not allowing you to soar. It's like you have wings, but you have wrapped it, you have tied it tight on purpose, and you're not allowing yourself to fly and soar because you are stuck in the past. I'm definitely getting a sense that you are finally going to release that. Archangel Michael is here to tell you to call him if you need any help in terms of releasing the past. He's here to cut the cords that is still attached to the past, attached to unwanted things, which is keeping you stuck, and it's time for you to release it. Okay, positive intention. Look at that. We have this positive intention card coming up. It is all abundant. It is all lush. She has a lot of the fruits and whatever that was a what is the word I'm looking for. It's time for you to change your intention, change your focus towards what you really want. Focus on what is that you want, what is that you want to bring into your life. It's time to change your intention. It is time to change your focus. All right, it's also for some of you, you are not able to speak up your truth, or you're not able to tell somebody how you feel, because I have a problem with my throat chakra and my I have a hard time expressing this. So definitely there is something about expression that is really important for you, of the way you express yourself to others. Maybe you're not being authentic self, or not showcasing your true self to others. You are trying to be something different or something else that is not you, that is not the real you. So definitely there is some sort of releasing that needs to be done. We have this unicorn here. Definitely there is a very strong possibilities of miracles occurring, unexpected things happening, amazing turn of events, things coming to fruition. Whatever you have been asking for, things are changing and turning slowly in your favor, but you have to do your part in order to bring those beautiful things into your life. It's about forgiveness, it is about letting go, and it is about you allowing yourself to heal and to cut the cords from whatever that is keeping you attached to the past and not allowing you to face your fears and challenges. Yes, application. And we have looks like you know already what is the problem that we are discussing here, or which is the area, or what is the issue that we are discussing here. It's time for you to actually take certain action. All right, take certain bold actions, being courageous, and really realizing what is that you need to know. And you need to do at this point in time to bring back the lost self of yours. All right, so Archangel Michael is definitely here to bring you to align you to the source, to align you to your true self, to reveal your truth, to reveal your essence, or your soul essence that is so delicate, that is so pure, and you're hiding behind the mask because you probably are scared how people will take it, or whether people will understand you or not, and things like that. It's time for you to reveal your true self to people. It is not in a bad way, all right? It is about everybody has the right to be their authentic self, and you are such a sweet human being, and you have a lot of beautiful things inside of you. And it's time to reveal the beauty, that inner beauty. You don't have to hide and pretend to be something else that you are not. That is what the point I'm trying to make. Inner temple devotion, tune into the portal of your heart. There is this tuning and alignment to your source that I can see here. Inner temple devotion, tune into the portal of your heart. Think from your heart, all right? Allow your heart to open. Allow your heart to forgive whatever that is bothering you, that is keeping you stuck. And Archangel Michael is here definitely helping you to lift you out of this problem, whatever that problem is, because we are going general here. We are not being specific to any one point. All right, it's time for you to discover your inner temple, your inner self, and your heart, the purity of heart. Allow your purity of heart to flow outside and be a light. All right, there is something about you expressing your true self is really what Archangel Michael is trying to help you with right now, to cut the cords as well. And my left arm is tingling. Definitely a very strong message from Archangel Michael to help you reveal your authentic self. And then the last card, you are dizzy from changing directions so many times. Do not look back with regret, but look forward with anticipation and joy. Yes, absolutely. Do not look back with regret, but look forward with anticipation and joy. So that is what you are kind of stuck in the past with whatever happened in the past. You kind of go back and forth and think about, I could have done it this way, or something on those lines, where you're going back and forth with your past and your present, and you're kind of confused. You're kind of have a hard time collecting your thoughts and gathering your focus towards one direction. So it's time for you to change your intention, change your focus, and really look at what exactly you want in life, what is really helping you and what is not, and taking certain steps, facing challenges, taking some leap of faith, and going after what you really need in that is really essential for you to heal, grow, and evolve. And Archangel Michael is definitely helping you through this whatever the phase that you're going through, and telling you that you are protected, and calling for help whenever you need to cut the cord or come out of the past, or if your future is fogged, he will definitely help you to clear the fog and help you to see the direction in a much more clearer way. All right, yeah, that's all I have for you, group number 1. Hope this will help you in some way, and please subscribe to my channel and support you in my next video. Bye bye. Welcome, group number 2. So if you have selected the unicorn Pegasus, this reading is for you. With this charm, what I'm sensing is it's time for you to take that leap of faith, to take a positive step, taking that first step towards your goal, and also not being afraid of the chances that you're taking, because end of the day, it is all experience, it is all knowledge that you're gaining out of whatever that you're doing. It's time for action. It is time for you to take further steps towards whatever that you want to achieve, because steps will be shown to you. You will know what exactly to be done. There is going to be a lot of wisdom, clarity, knowledge that is coming your way as you decide to take that first step towards whatever that you are dreaming or are willing to do, fit in this reading wherever it is, kind of making sense to you. Let's see which angel is coming through. Okay, we have Archangel Uriel, and for me, Archangel Uriel is all about knowledge, wisdom, bringing the knowledge from the source directly. And whenever we are lost, whenever we have no direction, whenever we have no sense of purpose in life, he brings knowledge, he brings the sense of purpose and understanding towards which direction to take, where we have to go, what should be our next step. And also he brings in a lot of motivation. If you are kind of going through lack of inspiration or motivation to do certain things, Archangel Uriel is here to tell you that do not lose hope, because things are about to get better, things are about to get busy for you. So do not give up, because there is a lot of beautiful things that are waiting to enter your life. And also I'm seeing a lot of energy that is that this card is radiating. We have fire. As a matter of fact, this is about passion. This is something which you are passionate about doing, about bringing into your reality, or something that you are pursuing that is really passionate to you. All right, and this is also for me, it is looking like sacral chakra or the root chakra. That is all about balance, stability, whatever that is essential for us to live comfortably, materialistically speaking, on this earth. So Archangel Uriel is helping you to bring in that stability into your life, bringing you the sense of direction, motivation, encouragement for you to go forward and not to be worried too much about the kind of leap that you are about to take. Okay, check your emotions. And then the next card we have happiness. Yeah, there is what I'm sensing is there is a kind of two of swords energy that I'm receiving. One part of you want to take certain decision and want to pursue it and want to go after and want to see whatever that is going to bring to you. But there is other part of you which is kind of holding yourself back as to kind of being scared of taking the chance, or should you really have to do that, is it going to be worth it, and kind of energy that I'm checking, that I'm receiving right now. There is something about your emotions which is kind of up and down, and that is really creating a sense or illusion of confusion and worry at whatever the situation that you feel stuck in. And that is the area Archangel Uriel is bringing in his wisdom, his knowledge, his light, kind of shedding light on your confusion so that you can see clearly. All right, if you can see here, this angel, she's seeing so clearly towards the light, one direction, one sense of focus, and no wavering, like unwavering decision, like this is what I'm going to do. So Archangel Uriel is definitely helping you in terms of taking certain decision, making right choices for yourself, and telling you not to worry and have your emotions in check. And surprisingly, we have full moon here, and also in group number 1 we had full moon. And as a matter of fact, on May 7th we have a full moon that is happening in Scorpio, and this is going to be really crazy in terms of emotions, because there is going to be a lot of emotional ups and downs that you can expect the coming week, right? Like anything that you have deeply hidden, anything that you didn't want to attend to, and also something related to your emotional addiction, kind of going back to those old thoughts, old fears. These things are going to surface. All right, so be really mindful of that, because if the emotions are playing crazy, remember, because the full moon is coming up in Scorpio, and that could be the reason. So do not act on every emotions, every feelings that you're getting. See which is really important and helping you, and which is going to bring you happiness. So only take action towards that. Wow, look at that. We have opportunity coming through. So definitely there is this opportunity, and we have a lot of fire going on here. We have 2 fires here, and we have fire here. So there is definitely kind of more than one opportunity that is there, which is kind of creating a confusion for you, or that is where you are kind of confused as in which direction to take. And we have strength here, and yeah, there is a lot of strength, lot of energy, lot of power and fire energy that is radiating all over your reading. All right, we have sun here, again the fire energy, and we have the fire here and sword. There is a lot of strength, courage, power that is coming through. Maybe this opportunity is going to bring you a lot of strength and courage and power. Maybe you're stepping into this role of power, being a leader, or being a role model to somebody else. So this opportunity is going to be really big, and it requires a lot of courage and strength for you to take this role and lead people. So that is the kind of role I'm kind of sensing that you're going to receive. All right, you will know exactly what you will have to do with these options that is coming through, the opportunities that is coming through, and this is definitely going to bring you a lot of success, happiness, and abundance for you in the future. This is something which is meant to be. This is something which you're meant to do. This is kind of in alignment with your life purpose and whatever that you want to do to fulfill your destiny in this lifetime. And Archangel Uriel is also about somebody who is going to direct us towards our life purpose. No matter how many ever times we fall out of track, he forces us to come back on track. So Archangel Uriel coming here, and this opportunity and the clarity that is coming through definitely is something related to your life purpose, your journey, your destination, something like that. All right, this is definitely powerful. Wow, look at that leap. You go first, the universe will catch you. Definitely there is a leap of faith that you're about to take, and we have full moon here. There's a lot going on with the moon. So really be mindful of any emotions that is creating problem. This could be really because of the full moon. The old stuff is going to surface. Do not let that bother you or pull you down. Instead, take a leap of faith with this opportunity, and it is definitely leading you towards your life purpose. So once you make a decision, the further steps will be shown. As I told you with this Pegasus, it's like your decision on taking this leap of faith will open a door to happiness, abundance, and success, and strength and courage, and you are going to be that in that leader position, in that place of power and strength, where people are going to follow you. You're kind of becoming a role model to others, or somehow you're leading others. You're leaving a kind of trail for others to follow. There is something about leadership that is coming through for you, but it's time for you to take a leap of faith and take decision. Archangel Uriel is definitely helping you in doing just that. Wow, look at that. We have Earth Mother coming through. Allow your heart to propel you to greater things than you have ever known. Wow, this is definitely your life purpose. There is something about you being of service to Mother Earth in some way, you being of service to this world, and you could be a light worker, Earth Angel. Okay, on those lines, you're definitely here to be that leader, be motivational speaker for some of you. So definitely you're here to help. And also look at this beauty. We have a unicorn coming here, and you picked the unicorn as well. So there is definitely a sort of magic that is going on here. Unicorn for me, the bringer of magic, at least in my life. Unicorn is like bringing magic into my life. Whenever I kind of feel low, there will be a change of direction immediately, kind of magically things turn around. So that is how I recognize unicorn, and definitely a sense of magic purpose to make you realize what is it you're supposed to do, and how can you be of help to Mother Earth. There is something about animals here. You could be somebody who's an animal lover. You want to do something for animals, bringing or being of help, shelter, animal shelter, or rescuing animals, something like that. But you are definitely here to be of service of some kind. All right, so yeah, Archangel Uriel is definitely working very closely with you to realize your life purpose and take that leap of faith, and the next steps will be magically shown to you, and you don't have to worry so much. Just check your emotions and keep your emotions under control, and keep in mind we have this full moon in Scorpio happening in May 7th. So if any emotions upheaval, remember that could be the reason, and just allow the emotions to surface and release. Don't get into that whirlpool of thoughts and emotions. All right, yeah, that's all I have for you from Archangel Uriel. Hope this is helping you in some way, and I wish you all the best in your life purpose, in your journey. And if you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Welcome, group number 3. If you have selected this tree, this reading is for you. Alright, with this tree, what I'm sensing is you may have gone through a lot in life, and it is definitely making you stronger. It is making you more resilient in life. It is making you much more bold, courageous, and you know exactly what to do. You are probably the old soul. You are very strong, wise, and you can mentor others in any area of life that you have been through lot yourself. And there is sense of mothering or being there for others whenever they are in need of help. And you are kind of probably questioning that why am I going through so much, why is this problem happening to me? And remember, problems always comes to us to make us stronger. This is kind of an initiation. The problems that we go through is an initiation towards the greater good of us. All right, all those problems initiated us to become much more spiritual, to ground us, to make us strong. And your roots are so strong now. You have unwavering, unconditional strength and courage within yourself, which you have probably unleashed already. And even with any sort of problems, you kind of feel that I know how to deal with it, yet why it is happening, right? So these are the kind of questions probably you are kind of facing right now. And whichever angel is coming through, definitely they are applauding you and telling you that you are doing perfectly fine, you are doing amazing, and we are really happy and proud of how far you have come, how far you have achieved, what all you have learned, and how wise you have become. And they are really happy with whatever you're doing. But let me see which angel is coming through. Yeah, Archangel Gabriel. And number 3, if you have been seeing number 3 lately, number 3 is catching your attention everywhere. This could be the reason. Archangel Gabriel is trying to help you in whatever that you're going through right now. And Archangel Gabriel and Archangel Michael, I closely work with every single day of my life. So Archangel Gabriel is for me that shimmering light, that beauty. I sometimes feel like a mother energy to me, like a very strong feminine energy to me. That is not necessary for you. You can also call her or him in terms of masculine energy, but for me, Archangel Gabriel is a very strong feminine energy. Like, she is there always whenever I need help. And Archangel Gabriel is here today to bring you peace, to bring you hope, to bring you love, and generally bring you calmness into your life, into your being, into your mind, because there is a lot going on in your mind in terms of bringing peace into your life. Probably you are going through something which is causing you a problem, or you have a problem emotionally, a lot of ups and downs that is happening to you. But she's definitely bringing you some sort of gift, some sort of a help that you require at this point in time. All right, she's also a she's the angel of communication. So definitely she's bringing you some sort of news, that is going to give you that relief and mental clarity and understanding. But let's see what is going on. Yes, harmony. This is exactly that you need right now, bringing your life into harmony, bringing your mind into harmony, bringing you a lot of alignment and lining up things for you to do and achieve whatever that you want to achieve in your life. Harmony is something which is missing in your life, which Archangel Gabriel is definitely helping you to bring in harmony, peace and love into your life, into your being. All right, not necessarily in the physical reality, because she is definitely helping in a very soul level to bring you this happiness and the guidance into your life. Be strong. Wow, look at that. Yeah, with this tree, I was telling you, you have definitely become very strong, very wise. You know there are challenges, you know there are obstacles. Definitely these are the initiations, right? Whenever we are initiated into any sort of, spiritual work or any sort of spiritual activity that we begin, there is definitely a process starts with initiation, right? So you have already been initiated into something big. If you are in midst of some problem and worries that is going on in your life, be assured you are initiated to do greater things in your life, to to bring in this strength into this earth, and to be an example and tell others how to be strong, how to be resilient, how not to give up, how to bring out or unleash that inner courage and strength. Yeah, you are slightly tired by being strong all the time, by being confident all the time, and that is the reason Archangel Gabriel is coming through to tell you that I am there, bringing you healing, bringing you love, bringing you joy, this shimmering. For me, Archangel Gabriel, she comes in the form of shimmery white light that flows through the head and all over the body, and the body starts to tingle, and that is the kind of healing, soothing effects that she brings. And this will definitely diffuse a lot of tension and worries that is going on in our initiation process, and it will definitely put us through put us to the situation where we can do anything. Like, we'll get into that mindset, like, I'm ready, bring it on, life. So she is definitely there helping you and nurturing you and being a mother, like, don't worry, I'm there with you through all the problems and initiations that you are going through. Okay, letting go. See, I was just talking about shimmery lights. Can you see the shimmery lights here? It is just flowing from the heavens. So it is time for you to let go of all the worries. Do not worry. We have a lot of trees here again. Yes, you have done a lot, you have been through a lot, you have become very strong, very wise. It's time for you to let go of worry. It's time for you to surrender. It's time for you to go with the flow. It's time for you to release all the worries and tension and really sit in that meditation state and call in Archangel Gabriel to bring in that that shimmering light, bring in that healing, bring in that love, and you need that right now. And she is there right next to you, helping you, healing you, and giving that nurturing energy so that it will make you stronger. It will put you in that positive mindset, and you will like ready to conquer the world kind of energy. So definitely you are in this midst of initiation. You are going through some difficult times, but no, this too shall pass. And it's time for you to surrender. It's time for you to let go of the worries and call in divine and say, I'm ready, just tell me what I have to do, and things are going to get very smoother for you. Yeah, receptivity. I was just talking about meditation. Look at that. She is in this meditating pose. I'm definitely, one second. I have definitely not seen any of the cards before pulling. All right, I just turn around and I open it in front of the camera. So we have receptivity. She is in meditation. If you can see, for me, this is Archangel Gabriel right now, bringing in the energy, bringing that healing energy and flowing deep inside of you, healing you, giving you that courage. And wow, this is just beautiful. All right, this is amazing. And we have a lot of trees here as well. Definitely you are an old soul. This is not your first incarnation on earth. You have been through a lot. You have learned a lot. You have become so wise and mature. And people may ask you, even if you are young, you are way too mature than your actual age. Probably you can speak to anybody with that gracefully and intellectually, spiritually, and you're very good at that. And also Archangel Gabriel coming up, maybe you're very good in communication. All right, so yeah, it's time for you to letting go of things and you being receptive to that healing energy, because she really want to help you to bring in peace and harmony into your life. So definitely call in Archangel Gabriel, or if you don't resonate with the angels, you can just sit down and ask the divine, to please help me bring in healing and joy and happiness and harmony into my life. It is still going to happen. It is not necessarily that it is going to be Archangel Gabriel, because she is showing up here, so it is very prominently her, but it's all right. Even if you are not a believer of angels, you still can access their love and energy and beauty always. Okay, and wow, look at that. We have the card of initiation. we have the card of initiation, rite of passage, crossing the threshold. You can see it is all dark here. Once you cross these hurdles, once you go through this tunnel, there is all the beauty and everything that you want is there in the other side. You can see the thunderbolt here. You are going through something deep here, group number 3, and you are going through sort of initiation that is happening in your life. It is just the rite of passage. You are just going to cross it. You are going to cross this threshold. Just take a break and don't stop. All right, do not give up. Just take a break. It's all right to take a break, rest, and keep going, because the other side you are about to enter a heaven. All right, the beauty and everything that you want is in the other side of this initiation. Wow, this is amazing. And then the last card we have, you may feel that you cannot move forward in life, but you are blessed. But you are blessed, so move on with love. And we have a unicorn here, and surprisingly all 3 piles got one or the other card which contained unicorn. And this is definitely a very magical reading, where they are definitely telling that there's a sprinkle of magic that is happening to you. There is this rite of passage. Once you cross that threshold, you're going to reach the level of knowledge, abundance, and the greater good that you have always been asking for, waiting for, and praying for. And it's time for you to drop all the worry and surrender to the plan, and allow angels to help you and Archangel Gabriel to help you to bring in that harmony, love, and comfort at this time of initiation for you. All right, and you're going to be absolutely successful. You deserve the success and happiness in life. And these are the messages that I'm getting from Archangel Gabriel. Hope you like, and if you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.